Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing family mail and also just a little haul that I got. So if you want to see what I got, then stick around. Back. So today we're going to start with family mail, and I got something from Miss Beauty Obsession, aka Sarah. Took quite a while, but it got here, and I know one of the things that's in here. I have not opened this up yet, so give me a second here. Get it open. Okay, a little note in here. It just says, Jessica, I hope you enjoy the palette and other goodies. You are an awesome friend. I love you, girl, Sarah. Just a little note. Okay, so it's all wrapped up here. Let's see what's in here. Awesome. Now, I knew I was getting this. This is the Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 2. Wait a minute. Okay. Let's hope they didn't rough it up too much. No, they did not. So pretty. I have the Volume 3, so now I just need to get the Volume 1. Thank you, Sarah. So let's see if they're the same size. Yes, they are. So now I just need to get a hold of the Volume 1. Now, they don't sell it in the store anymore. I'm sure I can get it online, but I have to look into that. And let's see what else is in here. Ooh, she gave me a an Essence I Love Color Intensifying eyeshadow base. Freaking awesome. She knows that, like, I needed a base. I got the NYX, the white one, but this one's more skin color, which is freaking awesome because I needed, like, a better, like, base. I haven't really been using my eyeshadow primers too much lately, so, like, this is going to be freaking awesome. Thank you, girl. I really appreciate that. And then she sent me one more thing here. The Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost. Waterproof. Freaking cool. I wonder if it smells weird. Sometimes mascara smells weird. This one kind of has like a really light, like shampoo-y smell. Cool. Awesome. Thank you, Sarah. I really appreciate that. Girl, you are so freaking awesome. Bubble wrap for other things. Always need bubble wrap. Okay. And that is it from Sarah. Again, girl, thank you. I really appreciate that. I really do. Looks like I'm missing a package. No, it's under my chair. But we will get to those last. The next thing I got is really freaking cool. This is from Mona. And Mona is freaking awesome. And I will say, I did open this one already. I couldn't wait. I was just so anxious. She made me this. She is so freaking artistic. Like, she is so artistic. Like, she's so talented. Like, it's crazy. The first things I'm going to show you, though, these, actually, I'm going to read the note first. The note says, "Hi Jessica, hope all is well. Keep up the awesome channel and keep smiling. Hope you enjoy my resin art." From Mona. I still want to, I know I'm weird. Like, I still want to, like, hang these up, even though it's not a card. But I still want to, like, hang up my little notes and stuff from people. It has, like, a little heart on there. How cute. Okay. So, one of the first things is a little handmade soap, and it smells so freaking good. I don't even know what that smell is. I can't put my finger on it, but OMG, it smells so dang good. Girl, you're gonna have to tell me what the smell of this is. It smells so freaking good. That is one. And there's another one in here. And this one is a brown one. Oh my God. That, like, seriously, I'm gonna, like, use this tonight. Like, this smells so freaking, like, amazing. Like, I cannot believe how good that smells. Gosh, girl, thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the smaller things first. The second thing here is, it's a little kitty headband. Oh my Lord, this is like super cute. And let's take my glasses off first, put on. I'm gonna wear this right now. I think that's awesome. And it's gold. I don't have any gold ones. Like, this is my first gold one. All the rest are silver. I'm like, I love it. Like, look how pretty that is. It's like so pretty. Thank you, Mona. There. Okay. And she wrapped everything so nice. It was like in all this really cute tissue paper. Then like the blue tissue paper. Everything was like wrapped so cute and so nice. Okay. Now the next thing. Like literally, I already had a couple tears for this. Like I like cried. I think it is absolutely beautiful. And I cannot wait to hang this up. Okay. See, it just says love. But then, when you look close, look at that. Look at me peeking through. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. How freaking cool. It's like me. All about me. So freaking awesome. And it says I love makeup down here. And then it has the little I Heart Paris up here. I think that's on my banner. I think that's on my banner on my YouTube channel. Pretty sure. I like this. Look at that. How freaking cool is that? Gosh, girl, I love this so freaking much. Like, you have no idea. Oh my gosh. Like, this means so freaking much to me. And look at the paint and the detail in that. Look at that. How awesome is that? That is so freaking cool. Like, way cool. Okay. The next thing. This just melted my heart, girl. It really did. Like, I was, like, so excited, like, about this one. Okay, this is a picture. I'm telling you, my new background's going to be up soon. But this was just, I don't know. And this is, like, you know, hard. Look at that. And look, me and Bobby. And then it has like the little I love makeup, the Paris up here, and my name. Look at that. Like, look how freaking awesome that is. And look. Oh my Lord, how beautiful. She does such beautiful work. And then the flower, oh my goodness. Like, it is beautiful. I cannot wait to hang this up. Like, I just cannot wait. It is so freaking awesome. Like, oh my God. Like, I love this. Look at that. Look how shiny and pretty. And then this one's the same way. Like, this shiny. She is so talented. Like, oh my Lord. That is freaking awesome. Like, so awesome. Like, I love it. Thank you so much, Mona. Like, thank you. You have no idea how much this means to me. Like, it really means a lot. It really does. I'm not going to try to get all sappy. Okay. And I believe there is, let me fold this up. I reuse everything. Everything. I'm thrifty like that. Okay. And then, I believe this is the last thing. Yes. Oops. Dropping everything out of here. I'll use that too. Okay. Now this is freaking cool. Like, she did this, like, I just can't believe how good she is. Check it out. And like the same colors, like it'll match, you know, the same colors. How freaking awesome is that? Like look at the, just check that out. There's like sparkle, there's like glitter in there too. I don't know if you can see it. There's like glitter in there. Isn't that freaking awesome? And it's a canvas picture. Like how cool is that? Freaking awesome. I'm hanging these up today. Like seriously, I'm gonna do my backdrop today. Like I'm gonna have it done. I promise you it's gonna be done. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Mona, thank you so much. Like so much. This means so much to me. Girl, you have no idea how much this means to me. Like just for you to take the time and, you know, just make that for me. Like, that is so awesome. Like, it really is. And the box, it was a box inside of a box. But, look at the box. Like, oh my lord. Like, how cool is that? Look at that. She did it all the way around to little lilacs. I love lilacs. So freaking pretty. Look at the dragonfly. So freaking, so pretty. Mona, thank you so freaking much. Like, from the bottom of my heart, you are, like, so freaking awesome. You are such a great friend. I really appreciate that so much. And Sarah, thank you so much. You've been my girl, and, like, I love you to death, and I really appreciate, like, I really appreciate you sending me that stuff. I cannot wait to try this out because I know you're saying how good this is. Like, I cannot wait. You're just so sweet, so thoughtful. And the palette. Like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. You's my girl. And she tells it like it is. I'll tell you that. Okay, now, moving on. I'm going to open up the smaller thing first. Okay. So, I've been wanting to try different things, and you know, I'm going to try it. If I don't like it, I have someone I'm going to send this to, but I got a wig. I got this on Amazon, and I just figured, you know, I'm going to try it. It came with a little cap. We ain't going to do that, though. But, I believe this was supposed to be lace front, but of course, you know it's not, because they never give you the right thing. But, see the color? It's supposed to be more of an ombre effect too, and apparently it's only there. So, you know, for being cheaper, it's whatever. But, we'll try this at some point, you know. One of these days in one of my lives or something. I'll try this out, and if I don't like it, I have someone that really will like it. But for now, I'm going to just, I don't know why this thing was around it, but whatever. We're going to put it back in here, and then back in the bag. But I just thought I would try something different, like for collabs and things, you know. Because wigs are fun. They're just not for, like, all-time thing for me, because I have some really thick hair. So, it kind of makes it hard for me to, you know. Okay. The next thing is what I'm very excited about. I've been waiting for this. It was supposed to come Tuesday. It did not. So, I'm pretty anxious today to receive this. Just hoping that nothing happened to it. And Bubby's sitting here thinking that she got something in the mail. Whoa, double wrapped. Okay. Guess we'll pull this open too. Okay, let's just, I'm so excited about this. Oops. So excited about this. Sorry, there's like little foamies everywhere. Oh God, I hope to God this is not broken. Okay, guys. So nice. It's like a little foamy stuck on there. Look, I've been waiting for this. Oh, wow. Sorry, there's like little bits. And there's like a little, oh man, I don't know if that was cracked or what. But, okay. Here she is. Look at that. I'm like so excited to try this. But honestly, I don't know. Let's do a couple swatches. I don't want to make this entirely too long. Ooh. Try to get my swatches like straight, but oh, pretty. Sorry, I can't get it right. So pretty. Doesn't really have a smell. I thought it was gonna have like a little bit of a smell to it, but it doesn't. It is like so pretty though. Sorry, I'm just gonna get the wipe here. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a video on that palette alone, so I don't want to go into in depth with it, but yeah, well, that's what I got. So I am like super excited about that. This is like leather. It smells like leather. Yeah. Really smells like leather. Anyway, I'm so happy to add this to my collection. I am freaking super excited about that. It fits perfectly over there. Okay, guys. Well, that's all I got for today. I am going to link Sarah, aka Beauty Obsession. Her name would have been in the cards this whole entire video, and so would Mona's. So you guys go check them out. They are freaking awesome. Mona is more of a chilled out, relaxed, drama free, just good all around person. If you don't know Mona, like, you should, really. And Miss Sarah, Lord, total opposite. That girl is boisterous, she is sassy, and she will tell you like it is. So if you don't like that, you ain't gonna like her. But too bad for you, because she's freaking awesome. That just means more Sarah for me. She's very good with makeup. Her eyeshadow looks, whew, wow. I could only hope to be like that talented. She is freaking amazing. Definitely go check her out. She's just, I don't know. I love her. I just love her. Period. Anyway, thank you guys so much again. I love ya, and I will see everyone next time.